Yes, good morning. It's that favorite time of the day once again. Welcome to SirToshi's Bitcoin Chart Show. This is the Bitcoin forecast, the strength of the system, the health of the network, where we find out what's up with what is going down. Today's date is Wednesday, the 22nd of February, 2023, the year of BSV. Buy BSV.live, the best place to buy Bitcoin SV online, the original protocol and genuine Bitcoin. Here we go. Let's get on with these figures. Rock and roll. So we've got Coolcoin BTC SegWit protocol with a speculative price of 24,134. That's going to hurt. Then we've got Bcrash, what a joke. Then we've got Fisher Price Cash, who cares? But then we've got Bitcoin. The original protocol goes right back to the Genesis block. It hasn't changed, making it the real Bitcoin, the true Bitcoin, the genuine Bitcoin, and the world's first and only ever digital commodity, backed by the value of data sovereignty, making it the most valuable commodity on earth because it's an extension of our own personal freedoms and liberties. Oh yeah. So let's get into this then. So we've got the most valuable commodity on earth, yours today for just $43. That cracks me up every time. We've got hash rate as a percentage, 0.17% on the Bitcoin chains. Let's have a look at that. Yep, just trending along nicely there. Very good. Let's have a look at the difficulty adjustment on BTC. Again, just like looking at this. Yeah, look at that. Highest it's ever been. It's going to be squeezing the miners. They're going to be hurting. Dear oh dear. We've got network nodes. Again, it's so small at the moment because it looks like Coolcoin SegWit protocol has got 99.99. So they're saying that Bcrash has got 0.01 and eCash, Fisher Price Cash 0.01, and then they reckon. Well, that's ridiculous. Nodes and mining operations. They're just trying to make the genuine Bitcoin look bad. It's a massive conspiracy, as if eCash has got more network nodes than genuine Bitcoin. What a joke. Anyway, for any newbies who haven't seen what a mining operation looks like, these are they. This is the backbone to the new global financial system, the world's first ever commercial internet. Blows my mind every time. Just sensational. There we go. So we've got transactions, 85.89. Look at that, absolutely massive. Smashing these other shitcoins out of the park. Let's have a look at these transactions overall. So we've got 31.1% of the entire market transactions on Bitcoin. 33% on XRP, but all those transactions are completely bogus. And Ethereum's got 24.6%. And again, they can't scale and they're a centralized network because they're proof of stake. What a joke. So the genuine Bitcoin is the only proof of work blockchain in the top 3, and it's currently in second place in terms of transaction volume. Honestly, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to figure out what is actually going to happen. There we go. So we've got block size 0.49. So remember, the block size represents the amount of data, which is the growth of the network. So the data is uploaded by the transactions. The transactions are processed by the nodes that create blocks and supply the hash rate. And the hash rate is attracted to the price, which is meant to be representative of the value. But the price is currently speculative because people don't have a clue what Bitcoin really is. But when education catches up with speculation, you can guarantee that their speculative prices will soon start to match their fundamental values. Yes, indeed. Right, let's have a look at the blocks coming through. Nice big blocks this morning. Look at that. 375 megabytes, 403, 584, 166, 67, 401, 696. No gigabyte blocks, never mind. But if you compare that to SegWit protocol, their biggest block is 2.3. What a joke! 2.3 megabytes, and we've got a 696 megabyte block on Bitcoin. Crazy. So Bcrash, again, no blocks over a megabyte, and Fisher Price Cash can't get all their blocks over a kilobyte. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Alright, here we go. Hash rate. Hash rate follows price, follows value, follows utility, follows creativity, initiative, and intelligence. If you are intelligent and you apply creativity and initiative, you can make something useful. When something is useful, it can then create value. When it creates value, it can then develop a price. When it develops a price, it can then be measured against the cost of other goods and services and used as a medium of exchange. Boom. Remember, if something is useless, it is worthless. If something is useful, it's valuable. It's that simple. Proof of work by network, again, it's all coming over to Bitcoin because this is the genuine protocol. So again, just BTC stole the name when they altered the protocol on the 24th of August 2017. It's now SegWit protocol and it's fundamentally worthless. So it's currently 91,090 times cheaper to transact on Bitcoin than Coolcoin. And it's currently 5.5% more profitable to mine on Coolcoin. Shows you the competition for Bitcoin. Daily average Bitcoin block size by network. Bitcoin absolutely smashing it. Look, absolutely smashing it. And that's on a log curve as well. That is amazing. Daily Bitcoin transactions by network. Bitcoin winning. Transactions per block by network. Bitcoin winning. Again on a log curve. Absolutely massive. Absolutely massive. Daily average Bitcoin fees. So look at that right down there. Cost per transactions in USD and cost per SirToshi's on a log curve right down there. That is the health of the network when it's still profitable and transaction fees are that low. Daily Bitcoin fee to block reward ratio. So remember, the red line there will be representative of the solid blue line here. As the block reward continues to get cut in half every 210,000 blocks, the block fee will eventually surpass the block reward, and then we have an economically self-sustaining system, which is what we are gunning for. Yes. Daily accumulated Bitcoin blockchain growth by network. Let's have a look at this. This is really the only graph you need to know about, because this represents what's going to happen in the future. This is the growth of the network. This is where all the utility is, and this is where the profit is going to be. It's that simple. There we go. All right, let's have a look at mining. Let's have a quick look. We'll just narrow it. There we go. Prefer looking at it like this. Right, so this is global hash rate. All chains, 7 days. Foundry US April 31.66. Other miners would like to know how much percentage they've got. Other miners, there we go, 5.52. Foundry US April 26.43 over a 24-hour period. Amp Pool in second, F2 Pool in third. Foundry US April, absolutely massive. Again, MasterCard, so they can print as much money as they want in bed with the Federal Reserve. So this is Coolcoin, BTC, Foundry US April 25.69. Others with 5.56. Binance in third now. And this is a B crash. Honestly, what a joke. These people here literally have no excuse whatsoever. They can't even say that they've been hoodwinked by the ticker symbol. It's an absolute total and upper shambles. Shitcoin, should I say. There we go, look. So this is Fisher Price Cash, and nodes are just simply the miners. So there's 2 here, and they think that it's got more miners than the genuine Bitcoin, which has also got 2 miners. Well, it's actually got other mining pools, plural. So technically there'll be others in there, like a Gorilla Pool. So it's actually got more nodes, but we know the conspiracy against Bitcoin. But this is interesting. So other miners now 53.47, and Tau with 46.53. My goodness me. That is a phenomenal return on investment that Calvin can expect from his investment in Tau. With that level of hash rate on the network, he will have accumulated a huge amount of Bitcoin. But again, the reason we're squeezing the shitcoin enterprises off the chain is because the only thing they understand is dollar worshipping, which leads on to price manipulation, which we will look at now in the short positions. So again, the genuine Bitcoin isn't available anymore because everybody's a massive conspiracy to delist it. But this is a SegWit protocol. Again, so only been around since 24th of August 2017, and yet traders and all that are giving it a short ratio of just less than 1%. They have no idea that it's an altcoin. It's a shit coin. It does nothing. They haven't even figured that out yet. Oh yeah, because store of value is a use case. Oh dear, oh dear. You've got to laugh. So funny. Here we go. Right, Coin Carbon Gap. Look at that. They've still delisted Bitcoin. That's outrageous. Transactions per megawatt hour. Look, Ethereum on a proof of stake shouldn't even exist. But I mean, that should be way up there. I've seen Bitcoin with 306,000 transactions per megawatt hour at its highest. Compare that to Coolcoin with 1.3 transactions per megawatt hour. Again, the authorities that have made it so inefficient are those harping on about this climate change scam. What a joke! What a joke! Here we go. So this is BSV data. Let's have a look at data size. MetaID producing 3.07 gigabytes. Let's have a look at transactions. So wallet transactions, P2P KH, 10,814. Interesting. All right, let's have a look at applications. So I wonder what protocol My2cents is using. So they've got 1.3 million transactions on My2cents. Relasia with 27.5. Vinex 30 hash. Where's Crypto Fights? What's gone on? What's gone on there? Is that because it was so successful they've literally sort of had to take it offline to relaunch Crypto Fights 2? Is that what's going to happen? Because that'll be very exciting if it is. Yes, indeed it will be. Very good. Okay, let's have a look at Crypto Quant. So look, the exchange is still cashing out. They are still cashing out. My goodness, look at that. So back here in May 2020, there was 3 million BTC held on exchanges as their reserves. That has now gone down to 2.1 million. They are cashing out, getting rid of that shit, taking advantage as the price is going up. Look at that. Wow. Again, just being pumped with Tether, and they know it. That's why they're just like, yeah, we'll take the time to get out while we can. Oh yeah, good grief. And in fact, look at that. So it looks like as the price was coming down there, it's kind of like in line with it. So they were sort of cashing out as the price was going up, and then the price rocketed, and there was like, oh great, we'll take advantage of that, sort of mirror it a little bit. Yeah, and then they were like, right, boom, let's do this. So you can see it's sort of, well, the price going up here is strange because that's the exchange is cashing out. So this was Tether pumping it. But there's only so much Tether can pump before even the stupidest of people start asking questions. So let's have a look at what's on chain. So 1.5 million transactions over 24 hours. Again, 1.3 was just on My2cents. So be interesting to see what's going on there. Need Crypto Fights back online. Let's have a look at the Tether weather. Whoa! Look at that. Look at that. What's the bet that there has been another Tether pump in the market? Let's have a look. Oh, there we go. So where's that gone from? 70.4. Oh, yeah. So that is 20 million. 20 million they just pumped into the market. And that's another pump there to pumping Tether in, bringing it back out again. All right, they'll be pumping the price of BTC, so we'll have a look at that in just a mo. What a joke. Live Coin Watch. Is this actually going to load for us? Be nice if it did. Oh, because if it doesn't, then we'll have to look at CoinCap. All right, let's have a look at CoinGecko first then. Right, so how are we feeling about BSV today? Feeling good, 91%. We'll take that. Let's have a look at coins then. Core coin BTC, 7 days. It's been going on. They've been pumping this bad boy's price. What's this? No, thank you. So it doesn't look like the pumping of Tether into the market has done too much to the price, really. Down over 24 hours. 7 days. Look, that was the Tether pump. They're trying to maintain it. Traders will make sure it always comes down. Let's have a look at DXS app. Remember, dirty traders can be unsullied on DXS app. So this is genuine Bitcoin versus US dollar. So that's kind of on the way up since February 13th. We're now 22nd. So that was just 11 days ago. Oh, it looks like there's been I wonder what happened there. Strange. No trading. Let's have a look at genuine Bitcoin versus BTC. Oh, wonder what happened there. It's there again. No movements in price. I wonder where they're getting their their price data from. Interesting. And then so look, they're pumping BTC since the 13th of Feb. Oh yeah, genuine Bitcoin still on its way up steady again. There's no Tether pumping the genuine Bitcoin. They're just simply using it to pump BTC, keep their scam going. Utterly worthless and useless. My goodness. Right, let's have a look at CoinDesk. Here we go. Oh, just down on the day, currently 43.88. What's that been on the week? Had quite a sharp increase and then gone down again. Again, traders just taking profits. Interesting. Alright, let's have a look at Shining a Light on Sovereign Electronic Cash. 442 views on that. Nice one. Farmers Food Supply and Money. 1,370 views on that so far. Silverfish. 19,500 views. Making its way slowly up to 20,000. That'd be good. And there we go. That's the end of the show. Oh, 15 minutes. Great stuff. There we go. Oh, it's because Live Coin Watch wasn't activated. But anyway, that'll do. That feeling when you know Bitcoin is BSV. We'll leave it there. Hope you enjoyed the show. As ever, be aware, take care, stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.